Basically, Spatium is a power amplifier. So we've progressed from gas power amplifiers for microwave frequencies up through GaN power amplifiers. And so we've gotten a 10 times improvement in the amount of power output that we can get when we went from gas to GaN. When we take GaN and combine it in a Spatium platform, we get a multiplier of 15. So it enables us to build solid-state power amplifiers that are capable of replacing microwave tubes in various applications. Spatium works by combining many different mimics. In fact, most of our Spatium platforms combine 16 mimics at once to give you a very high power output. So it is unique in that it's a single stage, very efficient combining platform, which also is very broadband. The advantages of Spatium are, number one, it's solid state. So the problem that people have with tubes is unreliability. Tubes are unreliable, particularly in harsh environments. Environments where they're out in the weather, where they're turned on, they're turned off, airborne environments where there's a lot of vibration. Tubes can have a mean time between failures of as little as hundreds of hours. So solid state is a huge improvement in reliability, more than an order of magnitude. And Spatium's an improvement in that Spatium's not a single point of failure and has a very graceful failure characteristic. You can lose one blade, Spatium still works. The reason Spatium is needed is because we have a diminishing source of supply of microwave tubes. They're unreliable, and the customers who have them, need to replace them because they have major platforms that have unavailability. They can't find a source of supply. And also Spatium, unlike tubes, is more linear than tubes. So for communications applications like SatCom, the Spatium, you're able to use it at much higher power levels than some of the tubes because they have to be backed down due to their nonlinearity. But also Spatium is used in things like test equipment. So we have for a long time manufactured a power amplifier that's used in test equipment. And these power amplifiers in test equipment are used to provide a high power stimulus for activities like load pull, where the amount of power that you can get out of a signal generator isn't nearly enough to fully characterize today's power devices. So Spatium is capable of providing that higher power stimulus for things like load pull, antenna test ranges that you need for test equipment.